In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the volume increments on your Fire Stick TV. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, let's say when you're turning the volume up and down, specifically with your Fire Stick TV, it might be taking too long because the increments are too small, or it might be doing it way too much. So if you want to change the increments, it's actually super simple to do. All you want to do is go to your settings, and then go to equipment control, like so. Then go to manage equipment, where you can fine tune things. And then what you want to do is go over to TV. Once you're in TV, the very first option you're going to see is volume increments. So if I want to go ahead and increase it, right now by default it's increments at a time which is 5. So if I want to increase it, I press the forward button. I can increase it like that. If I want to decrease it, I can go and press the rewind button as well. So it's up to you what you want to do. I think 7 is a sweet spot for me because I do feel like it was going a bit slowly. So that's how I'm going to keep it. But obviously, you can do it how you want depending on the TV you have. But it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And check out all our other Amazon Fire TV Stick videos that we've been posting on the channel.